Good morning friends. It's a video of toenail cutting. I will give a perfect shape of my toenail. Say this is my toenail and it has been broken from the corner this side, and here you see this side it has been torn. It will not grow because it has been torn from the here, and so I have to cut this toenail and I will give a perfect shape so that it will grow soon and got a perfect shape again. Okay, now I will cut it and I will show to you. It has been growing so long. I don't want to cut it, but I have no option because I have to cut, otherwise it will not grow. So I have to cut it, and it's side broken. See, from this side it has been broken. Here it is broken, so I have to cut both the nails, both the toenails I will cut so that both grows in the same time. Okay, now I will cut it. Now I will cut. Before cutting I am showing you my toenail. Now I will give you a perfect shape. Okay, see, I am cutting it. See, this side broken, so I have cut it. Really heat up in the bands, so it's paining, so I have cut it. Now I will cut the right side nail. I will show you. See, this is the nails. I have cut it now. Now I will cut the right side nail. Okay. This nail also not got a perfect shape. Here it has been broken, and here also it has been broken. If you see properly, here see, it has been broken here. Wait, here. Focus not coming in my phone. Really. Here, so I have to cut it. See, here you see here this one it has been broken, so I will cut it. Okay, this one actually broken. I want to grow my nails again, so I have cut it. If your toenails grown in a perfect shape, then it looks beautiful, otherwise not. So I thought that I should cut it so that it's grown again. and got a perfect shape. See, I am cutting here in the corner so that it grown from this to this. I promise I will try to grow my nails as soon as possible so that you can watch my videos. See, I have cleaned it. If you clean here in the side part, you will see this. You should here also. I will clean it because dirt particles are here, so I will clean here also, and the video